Hello, C.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, C. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. What did you do today, C? What did you
I
do
go.
today?
I go. I go to piano class
You have a piano class. Wow, that
in
is.
the morning.
What about in the afternoon?
I play with my cousin
Oh, is your cousin in your house? Did you go to your cousin's house, C? Did you go to your cousin's house?
No,
Oh no, you did not.
my
Okay. Where is your cousin? Where is your cousin?
is in living room.
Oh, your cousin is in your house. Okay. So now I I will conduct a quick review, see, just to make sure that you can still remember these. Okay? Can you tell me what does this sign show? What does it
It's
show?
okay.
Very good. What about this one?
Excuse me.
That's correct. Next one, see.
I don't know.
Okay, yes, that's right. And the last one,
I'm sorry.
yes, very good. So now we'll proceed to this. The first one, see, it shows what? It shows, can you read it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, what does it mean if we say yes? Eh? Like for example, see, it would show a positive answer. Like for example, did you eat dinner? Yes. Okay, it shows a positive response. Did you eat already? See? Did you eat dinner? Can you hear me? See?
Yes.
Did okay, did you eat dinner? Do you know
Yes.
dinner? What did you eat for dinner?
I eat. Uh,
Oh, can you remember?
I mm, I don't know in English.
I think that's marshmallows. Wait, marshmallows.
No.
Oh, not? Oh, I don't know what that is. See, I don't know. Okay, but I hope it's good. And you are so that is what you eat for dinner. You did not eat rice.
No.
Oh, okay. Now, see, we also have the next one. It's toast. It's toast.
No.
No, okay. So of course, if we say yes, it's a positive answer. No, it's a negative answer. Did you eat a snack? No, I did not. Okay, so that is it. Now, what about in here? Can you read it,
Here you
please?
are.
Okay, here you are. It means that you are giving something to someone, just like in here. She is giving an apple to this boy, and he's saying, here you are. Okay, and what will we say if someone will give us something? See? What will we say? What are we going to say? Like, for example, your mom give you a present. What will you say? What will you say? Do you know? You will say,
Thank you.
yes. Okay. So you will say thank you to express gratitude that you appreciate that person for giving you something. Okay. Like, for example, I would give you an apple. Here you are. And you would say, thank you. Now, the last one is,
You are welcome.
okay, yes, very good. So, when we say you're welcome, see, it is a polite response to thank you. Okay, so that is it. Now, in here, let us see. Okay, just tell me, what does this picture show? See?
Yes.
Very good. What about this one?
No.
No, okay, one.
Thank you.
Great job. What about this?
Here you are.
Great. Okay, yes, there you have it. See, now we'll have exercise 6. And you have to tell me which picture shows that the dialogue that we are about to read. So you will be Maya and I will be Mr. Smith. Okay, can you read it?
Excuse me, Mr. Smile.
Smith. Can you say Smith?
Smith.
Yes, Maya.
Can we close the window? It's getting a bit cold.
Okay, which picture shows that? Is it picture A or B?
It's A.
Okay, yes, very good because we can see that Mr. Smith right here is standing in front of the window. Okay, now what about in here? Okay, so I will be Maya and you will be Alex. Can you read
Hey,
it?
my, hey, Maya. Do you have a pen?
Yeah, here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, which picture shows that?
Mr. B.
Yes, very good. See, now let us have this one. I will be Alex and you will be Miss Brown. Can you read it?
Do you know where this flag comes from?
I don't know. Sorry.
It's okay, Alice. This is the flag of Germany.
Can you say Germany? Germany.
Germany.
Okay.
Germany.
Yes, which picture is it? What
Uh,
picture?
is Mr. A.
Yes, it's picture A. Very good. Now let us have this one. So all you have to do here is to fill in the blanks. Okay, wait. Let me show you the answer pool we have. I don't know. It's okay. And thank you. Okay, let us start now. See, here you are, Alex.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, very good. Where is Alex?
I don't know.
Okay, there you have it. Sorry, Alex, I can't go to the park today.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. So now let us have this one. Let me see if you can still remember this. What does this picture show again? See?
I'm sorry.
What about this?
It's okay.
Great job. And this one?
I don't know.
Okay. And this one?
Yes?
Is it yes? Yes, it shows a girl who is jumping, right? Eh, okay, wait, let me show it again to you. It's in the first one, actually. You see? Here.
It's good.
Yes, it's good. Okay, wait, let us go back. Now, what about one? Remember this gesture? See? Okay, let us
Bad.
have this one. Let us have this one first.
Here you are.
Okay, and the last one. Okay, let us. Okay, that is not in there. Okay, yes. It's bad. It's bad. Now let us have this one. We have still classroom English. We have here part two. Now let us look at the picture. Okay, can you tell me something about this one? See?
I can see uh, many students and teacher in the class.
Yes, very good. That is right. Okay, so we can see students and a teacher in a classroom. Now let us read it. I will be Mr. Green and you will be Alex. Let's begin our class. Alex, please put your backpack away.
Sorry, I was just talking out my textbook.
Can you say taking? Taking.
Taking,
Okay.
taking.
We're not using textbooks today.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, now let us have this one. Exercise two. Listen and repeat. Can you read this one, see?
Stand up.
Okay. And of course, when we say stand up, it means to get on your feet, just like what the girl is doing right here. She is standing up, right? What is she doing, see? She is?
She stand up.
Yeah. Can you say she is standing?
Standing.
Okay, yes, she is standing. Because after is are and see, we will add ing to the word after that. That is why we would say she is, okay, we have is standing. Okay, she is standing. See, we add ing. We don't say she is stand up, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now let us have this. What is he doing?
He's sitting.
Okay, yes, very good. He is sitting. What is he doing?
He's raising She had.
her. Okay, she is raising her hand. Okay, so in here, we will not use she anymore. We will use her. Okay, to show possession. What is she raising? Her hand. Okay, she is raising her hand. Now, what's he doing?
He's looking at the board.
Very good. Okay, so this is the board. See, we call it blackboard or green board. We also have whiteboard. See, okay, that is the board. Now, what is he doing?
She but put
Putting,
her put her
putting.
backpack away.
Okay, he's putting. He's putting.
Putting.
Yes. See, we also use this here. He is putting her backpack away. Okay, so it now let us have the next one. Okay, what is he doing? He
He he is looking at the board.
very good. What is he doing?
She's she is standing.
Great job. What is he doing?
She is sitting.
Yes, he is sitting. Look at her hand. See, what is he doing? He is
She's raise her
raising.
raising her hand.
Very good. What is he doing?
She is putting her backpack away.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, she's putting her bag away. Now let us have this one. Okay, exercise 4. Okay, so we have listen. Listen. Do you know what it means when we say listen? See?
Listen.
Okay, listen, which means you have to use your ears. Okay, you have to pay attention to what is being said by the teacher. Like in here, he said, listen to me. Okay, listen to me. Now, what about in here?
Open your textbook.
Okay, yes. Open your textbook or open your book. What about for this one? See, from open to what is it?
Close your textbook.
Okay, yes. To shut your book. Okay, that is what it means when we say close. What about in here?
That's it.
Okay, that's it. That's it for today. When we say that's it, see, it means the lesson is finished. Okay, there is nothing more to do. It's done. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You see now, let us have exercise 5. Can you tell me what is he trying to imply here? Mhm.
Close your textbook.
Very good. What about in here?
Listen to me.
Great job. And this one? Ooh, okay. While you're still thinking, let's have this one first.
Open your textbook.
Okay, last one. That
Does
That,
it
yes.
uh
That's it
does
for
it for
today.
today?
Okay. So now let us have this one. Okay, what are you doing here? What are you doing?
Sit.
Yes, he is sitting. What is he doing?
She putting her backpack away.
Okay, very good. What about in here? What is he doing?
He he is looking looking at the boat.
Very good. What is he saying?
Open your textbook.
Very good. What is he doing?
She is raising her hand.
Great job. And the last one, see.
Close your textbook.
Okay, yeah. Close your textbook. Now let us have this one. So you have to tell me who I am talking to. Open your textbook. What picture is it? Is it A, B, or C? Open.
B.
Okay, yes, very good. Now in here, what about? Oh, is it the same? Oh, the same. Okay, so
Victor C.
okay, yes, it's still C. Now in here, stand up. Stand up.
Victor A.
Okay, there you have it. Now, what about sit down?
Victor C.
Okay, very good. C. And take put your backpack away.
Victor C.
Okay, yes, very good. Now tell me um the action that suits it picture. Okay, so let us have the first one. What is he doing?
She is standing.
Okay, what about him?
He is sitting.
Very good. What is he doing?
She is raising her hand.
Great job. What is he doing?
Open your textbook.
Okay, very good. What is he saying?
Close your textbook.
Very good. And what is he doing?
She is putting her backpack away.
Very good. So now, since we're done with that, we'll proceed to English classroom part 3. So now look at the picture right here. Okay, can you tell me what do you think is happening here, see?
I I can see what a student uh, is speak some things to teacher.
Okay, yes, and she's, she is in the classroom. She's the only student in the classroom talking to the teacher. Okay, let us find out what is happening in here. So, I will be Miss Brown and you will be Maya. You can pack up your things now, Maya.
I was just cleaning up my desk, Mr. Brown.
Miss Brown.
Miss Brown.
Oh, thank you, Maya. Now let us have this one. We have here take out.
Take out.
Take out a pencil.
Take out a pencil.
Okay, so when we say take out a pencil, it means you will get it inside your bag and get it? Because probably you will use it in writing. Take out a pencil, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next one, clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up your desk.
Clean up your desk.
Okay, what does it mean when we say clean up? See?
I say clean up your desk. It's my desk it on the desk is sorry
It's okay,
is
see?
is very
Messy.
very
Messy.
many books on the desk.
Okay, yes, if it is messy, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that is when we clean up, just like in her desk right now. There are lots of things. So the teacher is asking her to clean up, maybe because it's time to go home. Okay, so now I believe that's all. That's our class today. See? So I'll see you again on Wednesday. So thank you so much for your time, see, and enjoy the rest of your night with your family. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
see.
teacher.
Night.